Smart glasses refers to a device that brings with suitable technology a computer screen display in front of a person's eyes in order to present data from the background information system. The display can be projected, reflected on the lens of glasses, or it can be separate component brought to the eyesight. Smart glasses are wearable computer glasses that add information alongside. It may control or retrieve data from other instruments or computers. It may support wireless technologies like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS. Glass is a wearable voice and motion control Android device that resembles a pair of eyeglasses and display information directly in the user field.
Not anymore. Introducing Alpha Glass, the world's first stylish AR glasses for everyday life. Your loyal key to limitless reality just in front of your eyes. You can use heads-up display navigation to safely reach your destination. Comfortable and stylish, Alpha Glass is your power tool wherever you go. Check your health data without disturbing your activity. Alpha Glass will save you time on busy days and act as an effective assistant anytime, anywhere. Its minimal design with no external elements makes Alpha Glass a perfect addition to any outfit. Take a photo instantly with just one tap on the frame and access it immediately on your smartphone. Alpha Glass developer version is equipped with 5 megapixel camera, quad-core processor, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, battery, microphone, sensors, AR vision system. Alpha Glass integrated optical system is the smallest AR system to date, which consists of a virtual screen composed of micro OLED, a transmitter of optical signals, and a splitter that transforms its reflection to user's eye. Now you can stay connected on social media and instant messages totally hands-free. Alpha Glass, your fashionable key to a greater reality.
3D photos and videos with Spectacles 3 is a snap. Just press either button to take a 10-second video. Press a button again to keep recording for 10 more seconds. You can press up to 6 times to record for 60 seconds total. To take a photo, just press and hold a button. We think you'll get the hang of it. Spectacles 3 can hold up to 100 videos or 1,200 photos at a time. Getting them onto your phone is easy. If you have an iOS device, open Snapchat and tap to open Memories. Then, tap Import to get the ball rolling. If you have an Android device, you don't have to do anything at all. Spectacles will automatically sync content with your phone whenever they're in range. Your photos and videos will be backed up online automatically the next time you're connected to Wi-Fi with the Snapchat app open. Making memories has never been easier.
Good morning.
Hello. Sometimes we overload ourselves with tasks. At work, at home, wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to have our hands free for multitasking? Introducing HiiDii, the smart glasses that you can use to control different devices. The HiiDii glasses have many applications and come in a variety of lens options, including anti-blue, sunglass, and prescription lenses. With frames that come in 2 different colors, the glasses' unique look offers adjustable ear hooks and a nose pad sensor that is ergonomically designed to be comfortable. Powered by a long battery life and high Bluetooth compatibility, HiiDii's chip and sensor help you navigate hands-free on Mac, Windows, and Android. HiiDii smart glasses are user-friendly and very convenient, Blinking once easily activates the left click button, which can single-click on PC or open an app on your mobile device. Blinking twice activates the double-click function. It opens a file on your PC or laptop. Blinking twice quickly activates the hold function, which acts as a long press button. This allows you to drag your windows or long press for apps like Voice Messenger. To right-click, blink once and wait for the letter R to pop up. Blink again to easily navigate menus and content. The HiiDii Smart app collects data that enables the user to have a better and more comfortable experience. The battery charges quickly and can last up to 8 hours. Simply place the glasses on your head. Adjust the ear hooks for comfort and you're ready to go. The HiiDii glasses are great for work projects such as preparing a presentation. If you need drag or scroll, activate the hold function by blinking twice quickly. Then a cursor pops up which allows you to scroll up on your content, all while enjoying a hands-free experience. Ever find yourself in the middle of a project and can't get to your device? The glasses offer convenience so you can answer the phone or follow a recipe and never have your project disrupted. The HiiDii glasses work in any environment and can offer a revolutionary way to use your devices. Get yourself a pair of HiiDii glasses today and enjoy the hands-free experience.
Introducing the ThinkReality A3, the most versatile enterprise smart glasses ever.